In order to master a module, you must pass the mastery test for that module. A passing score for a mastery test is 80%. This means you must receive 80% or higher on a mastery test to master that module. Once you do this, a star will appear next to that module, indicating you have mastered that module. However, if you do not pass the mastery test, you must retake the mastery test to complete that module. You are allowed to take a mastery test up to 3 times. After the 3rd attempt, the mastery test will become locked. If you look on the screen, you will see a module labeled Spelling Rules. In this module, there is a tutorial, an application, and a mastery test. Currently, the mastery test says locked, and there is an icon with a lock next to the status bar. The mastery test is locked because the student took the mastery test but did not receive a grade of 80% or higher. To unlock a mastery test, you need to repeat the tutorial for that module. In the example on the screen, the student needs to repeat the Spelling Rules tutorial by clicking on this link. After clicking on the tutorial link, you will be taken to the tutorial for that module. In the example on the screen, you are looking at the tutorial for the Spelling Rules module. There are 4 different parts to this tutorial: Introduction, Rule 1, Rule 2, and Rule 3. In addition, there is a summary quiz. Review all the areas, and when you are finished, you will be returned to the class assignments page. We have now been returned to the Spelling Rules module. As you can see on the screen, the mastery test for Spelling Rules is now unlocked. If you click on this link, you will now be able to take the mastery test again.